This is CAT 75 and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can start or initiate its installation either directly from the search results, or you can also open its app page, doesn't matter. Anyways, tap at the install button and wait for the Opera browser to be downloaded and installed respectively. Once the Opera is ready, you can go ahead and launch it, and while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app, or you can skip this step. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the data collection preferences that the Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.